Hello. Okay. Uh, back now. Actually, some last minute stuff came, so yeah. Unfortunately, I have to. How can I chat? Does this work? Oh wow. Okay. How do I always keep it on top? Something. I remember there was some way. Uh, you. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, I don't know how to do this. Cool. Just quickly put some music. Oh, and we'll start soon. How is everyone? Very long time. Hey, just need some quick music. Okay, should be enough. And okay, yeah. So what we're doing today. 1 minute, my mic is busted. I don't know if I am audible or not, but I haven't checked. Audio seems fine though. Shouldn't be that much noise also. Let's see. Okay, so still draw. Okay, doesn't really matter. So the plan is simple today. How do I reduce brightness? My screen is too bright. Okay. 50 is enough. Yeah. So today we are building like I had a plan actually. It mostly came from a discussion today. So you know you have to usually you need to look at some stuff regularly. For example, some news, some topic, right? That you need to be updated all the time. But like you won't necessarily get that much time to look at and do stuff, right? And also I think it's better if I just put it. How do I put it here? You know, can I put it here? Yeah. So basically the use case is you always want to look at some stuff about some topic, some news. You want to get updated all the time. The problem is you don't have time to go and do and digest that information, right? So the idea is basically we build something, somewhat a platform, a script, I don't know, a bot, whatever. And what we do is we give it uh, like data points to look at when we initialize or when we first interact. We say every day at X or N time, go look at it, tell me what's happening, right? Something like that. And what happens is at that point of time, it will try to collect and find out reliable data sources that it should go look at all the time, right? And what we do, we just feed it. I mean, it creates a digest from that and just sends it back. For example, let's say you give it like to know what's happening with Meta, right? Or let's say what's happening with AI these days, right? So there can be gazillion sources, you know, but the thing is we only want to look at um, few sources. For example, okay, I don't know what are some recent good uh, like AI reporting sites, but I think it can just suggest you some stuff, you know, like just go do some quick search and it can suggest you. Then we tell it like, okay, look at these things all the time, these sources and do your research, do a summary, and then give me a digest, right? Something like that. Okay. And just quickly, I don't have a very good idea, but I think I mean, how we can structure it, I think. So, okay, let's just, so what is the name? Tankyū-sha, okay. Q sha. So, which essentially means seeker range. I don't know if my Japanese spelling is correct. Is correct? Okay. So the plan is simple. So let's say initial. So what happens when we initially interact? So first interaction we tell it, okay, we need auth and all that stuff, but just for a POC, first we can give it things that we want to look at. For example, some keywords. If let's see. So keywords can be anything. Okay, I'll just say from some recent example what I can think of. Just give me a minute, I'll get some water. Yeah, where I was. Yeah. Yeah. So what I was saying. So what we do, we give it some keywords. Recently, what I can think of is what is some fancy. Okay, let's do 10-minute delivery. Right? Let's say you are some important person in this sector. Let's say you are going to invest or something like that, and you just want to know what and all is happening. So this can be a keyword, right? Interest not necessarily targeted. I mean, not necessarily specific, right? Specific, by specific I mean you don't really go give it a source or something, right? And if you have that, then it can go and find some sources from the internet. So this part I'm not really sure how we are going to do, but we'll see. Web search maybe, right? And then we choose what sources, right, to look at daily, right, and collect info. Cool. So here we can say, okay, from 10 results, always look at these three. Okay, three. Now here are so till this point it's fairly straightforward, and we can let's say it found few news outlets, right? I don't know, let's say news A, news B, and some blog, right? Now till here it's pretty straightforward. So we figure out a topic and we figure out some sources, right? Points that we can go and visit every day and just collect info, right? Now we set a time when to go. Set a daily time, or maybe send info and collect anytime, right? That is there. Then after all of this is done, after collecting info, okay, so initial interaction can be this much only. Now let's see how the system is going to work, going to function, right? So let's say we run at xm, sorry, not xlm, okay, right? Hit the sources. Now here I'll put some points. I have a few ideas, and collect data. So technically web scraping from the sites, textual data. So sanitize maybe use any tool to clean text so that a human or any, right? Now here we can do two things. Either we feed it to some LLM to collect summary, or just send it as it is, right? And here till this, so now this might be simple, I think, because after you have all the information, it's probably easier to process it, because I mean things are already super advanced, like just hitting API and doing stuff, right? The problem is here, because the problem is sources, I mean data, like so there can be many actually, because sources can have unstructured data. I mean, not can, sources will always have actually. Right? So what do I mean by that? Like a source, like let's say a source, right, may do, like their writing style or their information presentation can be very, very different from B, right? May present in like, I don't know the proper English term, but I think in a different way compared to B, right? So the issue with this is, even if we extract text, we don't really know how to structure it, right? Know how to find a common structure. So that's the issue. So there are few things that can help us, which I have done earlier. First is if you get an RSS feed, right? So most, like superstructured, structured, and usually available on like most news sites, right? And I believe major, like bigger blog sites also have, right? Also, am I audible? Yeah, okay. I think so. Bigger blogs generally have, right? So one benefit of this is we can just hit RSS and just like just run through any RSS parser and call it a day. So this is one way. Another way is, I have seen people build something called web clipper. I don't know how it works, but so use internal, like use stuff from web clippers. So web clipper is basically, you can like, let's say it has very, I think the recent one that I have seen is Obsidian, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think, yeah. So something like this, like we can probably use, is it open source? Oh my god, it's not. Okay, I don't want to steal code, but yeah, I think there should be like other web clipper. It should be other stuff also. Oh, what is this? Oh, no, okay. Okay, I don't know, but you got the idea, right? So which is like not super good result, uh, but we can use it to just sanitize and extract info, right? Like can be used to, like, you know, extract, tract clean text, you know. So these are the two things that I know, and like, I mean, this is without paying for any sort of API, right? Just hitting and scraping. I think definitely that's illegal, but I mean, just in terms of feasibility, I think this is like super easy to start with. And the last one would be just hit APIs from sources, right? The issue with this is this makes it very difficult for people to just go and choose sources, right? Uh, because you have to build stack around known sources, right? So issue is we need to have known sources and infra around it, right? So this is a problem. So we cannot really do it, right? So I think these three can be pretty easy. And the last one is we writing, like we writing something by ourselves, like just read how all this stuff works, and we just write a page, uh, like some sort of sanitation library that can clean and extract info, right? Or write your own text sanitation library, right? And clean text extracted from. Cool. So that's basically it. I mean, I don't think today I can write any code. Just that I can at least think about what I'm thinking is right or wrong. So now, like, like we can probably build this part pretty easy. It shouldn't take that much time. I think like proper research is needed here. We'll just quickly do some extract survey to know like what we can use. I personally want to use Gleam and try get it done with Gleam. And I have a few reasons. First is background processing is amazing. We can probably like even if we somehow have like 50-60 sources to go and visit, that would be very performant with actors. I mean, OTP actors and stuff like. And I do not want to use anything from, like, I think if I can use Ruby stuff, that also works. But let's just see. So primary stuff that we need is we need a browser, because like there is no way to go, like most news articles and news sites and all, they will have some kind of client JavaScript, so that's a problem. I remember there was some Rust. I don't remember Rust browser. Which one? Not Surfo. Not that one. No. I remember scraping. I remember there was one Rust browser. Uh, browser engine. Actually, not Google will give better results. Rust. No. I remember there was one. What is the name of that library? Ah, not servo, not this one. LLM with scripting. What's the name, man? I don't remember. Is it act? Why is it act? Just give me a minute, I think. I just don't remember where it is. Light panda, yes. Light panda. This guy, yes. This is our fellow. Oh, it's written in zip. Yeah, I keep forgetting. Yeah. So basically what we do is we spawn this, then connect it from, like, we send the sources and then we do some stuff. How does it work? Is it on view? Right. Light panda. It's not okay. I have to download. Cool. So is it dead? No, it's not. Let's just do quick research. I don't know what it is. Okay. Just make a directory. Then what is the spelling again? K forwarding. Tankyū-sha. Okay. Tanku. Okay. Okay. I don't know how thick it is. Oh, already. Why is it only 20 MB? Is that a joke? Oh, wow. Does it dump? Does it work with JavaScript and all? Does it have a help doc? Does it have? Oh, it has. Okay. Post port something help. Okay. WebSocket CDP server. Okay, cool. So I think the way it's written, like, is there any docs around interfacing? I don't know what all this stuff. Okay. Okay, we'll see. Now let's just quickly write down what are the things that we may, like, we may have to see if we I mean, we may have to look at if we start building it, like all the stuff that we need to go and look at. So first is we find a browser that can be spawned, spawned and closed any fast, right? Actually, you know what, I have to do a header. Things to look. Does it do bold? Does it do bold? Okay. Find a browser that can be spawned and look at. What should be the next one? How do we do background processing? Right? Then how do we process text to make it usable, right? Then next one would be what infra do we need? Running and making it read, making it generate summary, right? So now these are like basic stuff. So it depends on what programming language we choose also. That is there because like depending on the I don't know how is, I know Gleam you can write custom SFI. Gleam is does Gleam have like child process stuff? Gleam run how do I? Oh wow, we have XML parser also. Oh my god, it's amazing. Wow, that's pretty cool. Sorry, I'm just tired. Okay, never mind. I don't think it can. Okay, we'll figure that out. I don't know what is this. Anyways, I've started, so let's see. So how do we run commands from clean? Where can I think I can go to awesome. Let's get command. Command and see. Yes, and log. Okay, we'll see this one. Oh my god, this is perfect. That's exactly what I needed. Man, I'm so happy. Okay. I assume this does some both Erlang and JSFI. Yeah. Oh, this is fun. Okay, yeah, perfect. I don't understand Erlang. Okay, so we can spawn light panda from Gleam definitely, because that will dump and we can read standard out and just take data. Okay. It is there. You know what? I can just quickly do an experiment, right? I say let me just quickly upgrade. I say use Gleam. Okay. Gleam init. Gleam create. I don't know what is Gleam new, yeah, dot. Uh, Perfect. Okay. Let's just quickly claim run m the resource invalid model name. Huh? Okay, then what is wrong? Perfect. Okay. That's perfect. What we'll do is first we have to install this guy. Game. Okay. Now just do quick shell loader. Okay. What is arguments? Okay. Arguments like pipes now cmd command that is light. This one light panda. Then what was it again? Fetch dump. Okay. Fetch. I don't know what am I doing. Fetch, then dump. Oh, sorry. Dump, then fetch dump. Okay, then we got okay. What should I do? Let me just go to my blog and see. I'll do. Give me a dummy one. Let's do this. This simple zillion years back. What's the error? Actually, okay. Oh yeah, it's labeled. Unfortunately, when it's labeled, we have to pass. Everything that's labeled. What is a screen? String. Oh. Okay. Claim run. Wait. What am I doing wrong? Eh? Wait, I'm confused. Where is the docs? Where the docs? I think just jumping doesn't help. Retrail is on fast invader. Okay, that we don't need. Color command. Okay, with arguments. Okay, perfect. So we don't need this guy. And we definitely don't need this guy. So this is string. Run with in you piece of shit. So that would be with, and it will be in Perfect. So what is it written? Is it an option? Okay. Result dot map. Result. IO dot print. Oh, isn't that the syntax? Did I forget? Oh, I forgot the syntax. Sorry. Hey, wait, that is the syntax. Oh, it's. Oh my god, sorry. Yeah. Okay. How do we capture standard out? What is display? Converted display. Oh, wow. What is cooked mode? Don't want to know. You wonder what is that? LSP. That is let me standard out. Don't capture the standard error stream. Okay. I don't understand what does this mean. But beautiful docs though. I don't know who is logging this. Wait, what happens if I don't do nothing? What just happened? Oh wait, I have to pull my film. Okay. I wonder why LSP died. So where is my result? Yeah. Ah. So there is no way to know or what. Do we have like a Chrome CPP claim? Chrome CPP airline? Nah. I think uh can't you like Wait, let me first read. But the problem is if we they just go to standard out, no? So that should flag. What is happening? Fetch dump. The question is, why is it not running? Oh, echo is out. I just remembered. My point is, why is it even not going there? This doesn't work. What? Hey, wasn't it working like 2 minutes back? Oh, I wonder what did I do to make it not work? Let be standard out. Oh my god, what is happening? Ah, light panda not found. Where? Oh, I think I know. Nah. Uh, uh, current directory. But I don't think I need to know what the PWD. Yeah. Is it PWD or CWD? Hey. Oh. Why is it doing empty string? It's very okay. We'll do one thing. I'll just is there a get ignore file? I don't think it will show actually. Yeah, I'll just push it, and I think we can build it with clean. Because if we can look at standard out, then essentially we can take that HTML, load it somewhere, but I would think it would be better if we can query the DOM directly. Okay, we'll see about that. Uh, Toto 1x. Okay, we'll sit again soon, and I think what the problem right now is this is very much. Let me go to this. Oh, huh. Okay, it was very surprising. Okay, I'm not necessarily sure what is this problem. Okay, we'll debug this, but more or less plan is this. So I'll figure out if we can have any other system that can go and scrape. Otherwise, we cannot just build it clean. We probably have to go to something called like Python or something else. Probably because I think Python is the most suitable. just it is very flexible and there are already too much stuff to help with scraping, right? Okay, let's see that. Cool. I think it was great. I mean, just got to plan out. I'll also copy all of this so that it don't miss it. Read me. I'll just plan and maybe another heading. We'll see about this. Okay, thank you so much for coming, whoever came. See you some